En thuolo machielo nyakораmogi sama wayudo mar kelo ni weche manyien mag migago. Wan gi weche mawuoki e boma ma Nairobi kaachiel gi weche mawuok e gwenge ma Kaluo. Warwaki ni machiegni to mokwongo thuond weche. E piem mag Olympic Paris e piny Ufaransa. Boma ma Eldoret kawuono iyango kaka boma maduong' koluwo mago ma Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu gi Nakuru. Mwandu mapok oyangore ne owang'e masira mar mach otieno manyoro e kar dak ma Laini Saba, Kibra. Arwakini machiegni weche manyien mag migago. Nyinga Milton Ochieng'. Nyasi mar yango boma ma Eldoret kaka achiel kuom bombe madongo ma pacho ka dhi mbele boma no. Nyasi no yuore gi jatend piny William Ruto. Wadhi achiel kachiel nyake boma no mondo wane kaka nyasi no timore.
Your Excellency may hand a vellum copy of the proclamation to the Deputy President, Solicitor General for publication into law, and to those that will be charged with the implementation of the Charter, that is Cabinet Secretary responsible for urban development, the Governor of Uasin Gishu County, as well as the governors of counties of Nandi, Elgeyo Marakwet, Baringo, Bomet, Kericho, Turkana, West Pokot, Narok, Trans Nzoia, Bungoma, Kakamega, Laikipia, and Samburu. Thereafter, I invite Your Excellency alongside all other leaders in the arena to display a ceremonial copy of the vellum. Your Excellency will display an open copy while the others will display a closed one.
Basi wakijiunga nasi hivi sasa gavana wa jimbo la Bungoma, hali kadhalika gavana wa jimbo la Kakamega na gavana wa jimbo la Vihiga.
All governors except the host governor are requested to retreat. Permit me, Your Excellency, to most graciously invite the chairperson of the Municipal Board of Eldoret and secretary to the board and the county executive committee member for urban planning to join the governor in receiving the conferment instruments. So, where are the conferment instruments? Be conferred to the chair, the governor. Yeah, these ones, yeah. The chairperson should be given conferment of the instrument. Yes. Yeah, we are here. So we are here.
Shangilia kwa makofi mazuri, mwenyekiti akiweza kupokezwa
The flag of the city.
Akiweza pia kupokezwa bendera ya mji huu ama jiji hili la Eldoret. Shangwe na vigelegele.
The map of the city, the seal of the county, and the memento marking the evaluation of the municipality of Eldoret in the city. The memento. So we can retreat to our seat, Your Excellency.
Basi Mheshimiwa Rais akipokezwa ramani ya Eldoret City, hivi sasa aweze kumpokeza mwenyekiti.
Wait a minute. So, Your Excellency, you can retreat to your seat still at the arena, and the rest of us to go back. Your Excellency, Eldoret City is the melting pot of all the communities from across this vast land and nation. In a symbolic display of Kenya's fifth city centrality to all the neighboring counties, I invite the leadership of the North Rift Economic Bloc counties, as well as other neighboring counties, to receive their symbolic key to the city of Eldoret in the following order. Nandi County.
Gavana wa jimbo la Nandi.
Followed by Elgeyo Marakwet.
Mheshimiwa Stephen Sang. Nandi.
Elgeyo Marakwet. Followed by Baringo County.
Gavana wa Elgeyo Marakwet, Mheshimiwa Wesley Rotich, pokezwa ufunguu na Mheshimiwa Rais. Tumshangilie kwa makofi. Thank you. Gavana wa Baringo akija kupokea. Gavana wa jimbo la Baringo, Benjamin Cheboy.
Bomet County. Bomet County, come closer. Followed by Kericho. Followed by Turkana. Followed by West Pokot. Followed by Narok. Trans Nzoia, please come forward. Then Bungoma. Then Kakamega, Laikipia, and Samburu.
Bomet wakiweza kupokea kifungu chao. Tumshangilie kwa makofi. Kericho, Speaker akiweza kupokea. Namwona Gavana Bungoma, Mheshimiwa Ken Lusaka akiweza kupokea ufunguo wake. Gavana wa jimbo la Trans Nzoia, Mheshimiwa George Natembeya, Trans Nzoia. Trans Nzoia. Akipokezwa hivi sasa Gavana wa jimbo la Kakamega FCPA Fernandez Baraza akiweza kupokea ufunguo huu. Asante sana. Gavana wa West Pokot Mheshimiwa Simon Kachapin akiweza kupokea ufunguo huu. Anafuata gavana wa Kajiado, Gavana Joseph Olelenku. Gavana Joseph Olelenku akiweza chukua ufunguo wake. Anafuata gavana wa jimbo la Vihiga Mheshimiwa Wilbur Otichilo akiweza pia kuweza kuchukua ufunguo wake mahali hapa.
Yeah, Your Excellency, you may retreat to your seat at the arena still, Your Excellency.
Bado kwa arena. Leo tuna kazi. Tumshangilie Mheshimiwa Rais.
Take your seat. Your Excellency, sir, Eldoret City is a culmination of years of an inspiring leadership in enterprise, agriculture, and industry, steered through various visionary leaders. In honor of the immense contribution made by these visionary sons and daughters of Eldoret, I present the following persons for conferment of national honors in recognition of their distinguished and outstanding services rendered to the nation in various capacities and responsibilities as follows. Your Excellency, kindly step forward to award the medals to the persons read.
Kawa wuoke boma ma Eldoret waduogo Nairobi kama komiti mar od bura weche mag arita kanyakla kod komiti mar senate weche makamago puodho Douglas Kanja kaka ogai mar obila ma pachoka. Kanja nowal kod jatend piny William Ruto tok kane Jafeth Koome ogweta odwe mar 7. Wawinjane kaka chenro no dhi nyime e od bura mamalo.
Assembly yetu. Wewe ni mkakati gani utafanya tofauti pia kama vile nimesikia wengine wakisema ni nini utafanya kando na kushika muhusika? Ni nini unafikiria unaweza fanya ku reduce ama kupunguza shida ambayo imetupata nyumbani? Nimefurahi sana kwa swali ambayo umejibu kwamba mambo ya ufisadi ni mambo ambayo inatuhusu sisi wote kama wananchi wa Kenya, kama watumishi wa Mungu, kama viongozi kama sisi. Umesema utafanya mpango ya kuhakikisha kwamba elimu imefika kule nyumbani kuhusu mambo ya ufisadi. Hii mambo ya kina mama na watoto kuuawa ni nini utafanya? Pili, sijui kama unaelewa kwamba zamani bangi na pombe haramu ilikuwa ikifanyika, biashara ilikuwa ikifanyika nchini. Lakini wakati huu tunapoongea bangi zinasungushwa katika village, inauzwa, mambo ya pombe haramu inaendelea, na mara nyingi pia maofisa wako wanatajwa kwa biashara ya bangi, kwa biashara ya pombe. Asante sana.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa Weta.
Yeah, thank you, chairs, the co-chairs.
Just before you proceed, don't ask a question that has already been asked in the interest of time.
Yes, yes. Number one is the issue of welfare, police housing, and logistics. Mr. Nominee, especially where I come from, I was really shocked to see police officers sleeping in the open area, you know, with just mattresses but nowhere to spend on. They have no houses at all. It is really desperate situations in some of the areas we have gone. A place called Arabia sub-county in my constituency, I was going around just 2 weeks ago, and it was really unfortunate that officers of higher ranks were spending, you know, outside in the cold with only mattresses. Number two, the other thing I realized is that I have witnessed an OCBD using, you know, public transport. They have no vehicles at all. That is about the welfare of the police. Number two is the issue of roadblocks. According to Maraga indicated that roadblocks are used as toll stations where police collect bribes. You know, whenever they just want to, you know, get money, they just go put a roadblock to go and collect funds, to go and collect bribes. Instead of using other ways of, you know, combating criminals, that is the way they normally do. According to Maraga, his suggestion was that mobile roadblocks can work, can do very well, especially where there are issues. Number three is the issue of gazetted stations or posts.
We had agreed maximum 2 questions.
No, these are simple questions.
Okay, that's your last.
They are gazetted stations or posts that has not been operationalized for the last 3-4 years, and especially where the insecurity areas. The other issue is the issue of NBRs. NBRs are really doing a good job, especially in our areas.
And NPR had been addressed.
Yeah, but
we had agreed.
You know what they get is 5,000 Kenya shillings. 5,000 cannot do much, and they are killed like any other police station. Unfortunately, they are not. You know, they have no insurance. They have no pay. They have no, you know, they have no retirement baggage. What plans do you have in changing their lives? Number three, which is, Nini, I think it's a quick one, is the issue of the old way of doing, you know, operations, especially when there are incidents. Just a few days ago, there was an incident in my constituency. Unfortunately, instead of, you know, doing an intelligence-led operations, they just go, you know, into the houses, get people, harass people. What are the new and you know, modern ways of operation of carrying out operations instead of, you know, just haphazard way of carrying out operations? Thank you.
Chairman. Chairman, I will ask 2 questions. Mr. Kanja, thank you very much for the response. I want to start, Mr. Chairman, by saying I am one of the Kenyans who are very impressed with the first press conference to update the nation on what was going on. And you are doing it, and I told you. I want to ask whether you have intentions to restore the posts of police spokesman or spokesperson. That's number one. Number two is what strategies do you have to reduce the road carnage? I know it's not only you have NTSA to work with, but I would like you to answer the question also on corruption on roads, and whether, which we have also mentioned, whether you are also going to leverage on technology to reduce road carnage. Thank you.
Mr. Kanja, you can respond to those ones. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, co-chairs. Thank you, members. Maybe I start with the last one from Honorable Francis Sigei.
Kindly go directly to to respond to the questions.
Yes. So about the road carnage, if approved and appointed IG, I'm going to work with all the stakeholders. We're also going to deploy technology, actually, as I did indicate there before, cameras and everything else that can be able to alert us that some vehicles are overspeeding and so forth, and then they can be intercepted somewhere. Corruption on the roads. I did earlier indicate that the measures that we have put in place, actually, by first of all...
Which cameras will you be using? Which cameras specifically?
The kind of cameras I'm thinking of are those, you know,
our CCTV cameras in our highways.
Exactly.
Okay, anyway, we will come to that. There's a question from the public, specifically on that matter. So they say they're all blind. They're not functional.
Okay.
We'll just go on.
So on matters corruption on our roads, as I indicated there before, corruption is a problem. And number two, what have we done about it? We have reverted our traffic department back to the commandant traffic, and then we have all the structures in place. We are continuing, and we have been very serious training officers who can actually be able to render. And the kind of training that we are putting them through is also educating them on why corruption is a very serious disease in this country, and why they don't need to get engaged in that one. And many other measures are actually in place to ensure that what we are talking about is actually fully implemented, because this is an area that I'm also passionate about. On the press conferences, thank you very much, Honorable Sigai. I know communication is important. I know communication is power. And that's the reason why, even when I was appointed the acting IG, I went straight to communication, to communicate with the people, to talk to the people, to speak to the people, actually, so that they can actually be able to get the position. Remember, what was happening there before is that some people have been killed there, down there in Githurai. There was mass massacre, I don't know, murders. But the truth of the matter is that nobody had actually been killed in Githurai. That is the correct position. But now, without communicating to the people, then, you know, once repeated several times, it looks like that is the correct position, which is actually not really the correct position. Nobody had actually been killed in Githurai. So the reason why, if I'm approved the IG, I mean approved and appointed IG, I'm going to leverage very much on that area of communication. We are going to come up with, you know, good teams that can keep on communicating with the Kenyan people, telling them the correct position, because there's nothing to be hidden. And that way, we can now be able to have even flow of information, because the people have got a lot of information that can be able to assist the police to enhance the policing capability. And mine, I would like, working with the people. And I know even one of the functions is to ensure that the IG works closely with the communities, and brings the organization and the communities together. One way is through communication. One, letting the people getting to know exactly what's happening. So communication will be an area that I would be actually very much interested. We will ensure that we get a very good communication team, and I know they are there to assist us to reach the people out there. The other one that probably I would like to mention very, very quickly is what has been asked by Honorable Hussein. Police housing. Yes, this is a problem that has been there for quite some time, but I'm happy with the measures that the government is putting in place. And even in the Maraga report, that was, flagged out as a major area that needs to be addressed very, very quickly, because it's an area that affects the welfare of the officers, where the officers chairs houses, a group of officers chairing one house. It is not right. It is not right. And the direction that we need to go is to continue investing in that direction, to ensure that our officers who are stationed in the various stations that we have throughout the Republic are housed within their station areas in accommodation that actually befits them. So, to me, that is an area that I would be very much interested to work very, very closely with others, so that we can be able to see that we achieve. And we are happy that to note that our government is actually very, very, interested in that direction. About the mobile road blocks, yes, I mean about the road blocks. The advice of the Maraga report is that we need to have mobile road blocks. I also advocate for those road blocks that are laid as and when required. We don't want permanent road blocks to be laid, there throughout. No. We want road blocks that are laid as and when they are required. That is the kind of road blocks that we want. Yes, mobile teams on our roads is good, because it's a good deterrence. But road blocks, then that is the direction that personally I would like to take. On the matters of gazetted police posts which have not yet been operationalized. That is an area that is also very, very urgent, and we need to move quickly. But the issue is anchored on funding. And I hope that going forward we are going to get adequate funds, and that way we can be able to operationalize whatever is remained, including transport. Transport has also been a major issue. A good number of police stations don't have any form of transport, but the government is actually addressing that one. Previously have been assured, and we are working in that direction, and I know very soon stations will be having adequate transport, which will also be good to enable the officers to discharge their duties as required by our laws. Yes, the operations, as the honorable member has mentioned, the operations should be intelligence-led. Very true. Intelligence-led operation is what the police service requires. We don't just want to move everywhere. We want to go there because there is a need to do that. And this one can only be achieved through intelligence. We are working very, very closely with all the other stakeholders, including the NIS, in the provision of these kind of intelligences, such that we don't disturb everybody. We just go to where criminals are and deal with them as that. Thank you, Chair. No, there is also the question that had been asked by Mheshimiwa Lisa Chepkorir. Mheshimiwa, vile umeuliza swali ya maana sana. Mimi binafsi I'm a major supporter ya gender. Ukiangalia wakati nimekuwa Deputy Inspector General of Police kule Police Headquarters Vigilance.
Kawadhi nyime ni governors mawakeini kotelnegi kod governor ma Machakos Wavinya Ndeti oromo kawuono motelo ne chenro motisi kaka Machakos G7 madhi timore alap ma Kenyatta. Wavinya wacho nobiro yawo ayanga chenro ma county sa sector mopogore gino mabiro jiwo kendo konyo rowere madirom 2,000. Jatend riwruok Governor San Waiguru olero ni chenro ma G7 geto jiwo jok mamine weche mag telo kod dongruok. Governors mawakeini go biro riwore kodgi e nyasino kaka yor sumo paro e weche mag dongruok maginyalo chwalo e counties gi.
It will be a pleasure to showcase our projects in healthcare, youth empowerment, talent development, social welfare, climate change, infrastructure, and a project under Mama Initiative, the Matu Daycare Center. I note with satisfaction that a total of 276,000 individuals will benefit from these empowerment programs.
The idea of the G7 is to encourage women in leadership, first by starting to encourage those who are already elected, but also by coming together, visiting one another, looking at what the projects our colleagues have done. We hope to encourage those who are aspiring to leadership that it can actually be done.
Imedo neno weche manyien kowuok e Ramogi TV e chenro mar Migago. Kik idhi mabor waka yweyo mokwongo waduogo bang' thuolo machuok.
Jipange na View sasa imerudi kwa mbwembwe na vishindo. Jipange leo kwa nafasi ya kujishindia mamilioni ya pesa. Jipange ushinde na View sasa. Bonyeza *487*3#. Weka 50 bob tu upate content na pointi 50 za kuingia kwenye draw ya 50,000 kila siku, milioni 1 kila wiki na grand prize ya milioni 3. Jibambe na content nyingi zaidi uongeze chances zako za kushinda. Jipange na View sasa. Weka 50 bob tu na huenda ukajishindia 50,000 kila siku, milioni 1 kila wiki na grand prize ya milioni 3. Sheria na masharti kutumika. Imeidhinishwa na BCLB namba 0000130.
Hey, Wagwan, what's happening? It's your girl Aziza Hashim, aka the Media Messiah. and we're back on radio. Na tumekuja kwa ubaya, tumekuja na maform deadly. We are breaking out of the norm. I hope you're ready every Monday to Friday on Hot 96. It's hot when I'm on your radio.
Everything litty, I love when it's hot. Turn to the city, I broke Hot
96.
The world is coming to Kenya, and I am going to Kenya.
La 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 festa, la 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 festa, Kisumu jala, karibu karibu, karibu karibu, Mama Africa. Say welcome to Kenya. Music, arts and culture, Festival Africa, our traditions and carnival. Welcome to Festa, food and texture. Welcome to Festa. Sculpture, African banana, coconut and samba, can get on the reggae, dancehall kamakosa, dancehall Afro jam rock. La 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 festa, la 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 festa.
From August 25th to the 1st of September 2024, Kisumu, Kenya welcomes you to Festac Africa.
To book your travel, visit viewtravel.com. The official travel partner for Festac Africa Festival.
Ne thuolo mar yudo weche tuke duto nyaka mopondo. Mbaka makende mag jotugo kendo mag jomolony weche tuke.
Can you believe it?
Magite yudore chenro mar pau tuke.
The 4.84 kilometers.
Nonro matut kod gigo matimre manyien mag tuke duto mawuok e piny mangima. Tudri kodwa ngeso ka ngeso Ramogi TV. Kochakore saa 8 odiechieng' ka wami gik motimore pau tuke. Benga oken benga ka ukiluongo nying Dr. Osito Kale. E gwenge mag Mabenju, e Asembo, Ramogi TV olimo jabenga marahuma Dr. Osito Kale mar Nabi King.
Kapo pod watugo tuka longo kana winjo thumbe wuonwa ne biro gagiri thum gramophone.
Omiyo wasigande mopondo madibed ni ji ok ong'eyo maber.
Koro ka beti osetho otieko higni 5 Anjeli
bende oketonwa e ler e wi jongolo manokalo e lwete.
Mokwongo to mar Omondi atimo ni mos kabisa. To maeno ochalo ng'ama asewacho nochalo ng'ama olwer bath pada konchiel.
Tudri gi Solomon Atito Kafaya tich abishni e chenro mar ng'e jothumbewa e Ramogi TV. Beikori mar chako wuoth e piny mar thum. Thumbe mane oloko tieng' mang'eny. Fwenyo sigendni, wende mag piny, koda sigendni mayudore wendego.
Okay. What I didn't get Ravi.
Ngoma wake. En kama gik mane otimore chon koda matimore sani chopo winjruok maber chur. Ngoma owake wuok tich nyaka tich abich saa 10 odhiambo. Kik bai.
Machiegni kendo, duond bura mar chama cha Uzalendo dwaro mondo tim mapiyo chenro mar yiero commissioners mag duol mochung'ne yiero pacho ka IEBC kaluwore gi yiero moko madundo monego tim. Koloso e gwenge ma Kwale, jatend duond burano Richard Onsongo owacho ni nitie yiero mag MCS 5 e od bura ma Kwale monego tim tok do ofwenyo ni yiero margi notim ataro mar chik. Owacho ni yiero margi nokorango riwruoge kaka mag rowere, kit chwech kod jogo manigi ng'ol.
Serikali through president wetu Ruto waharakisha haraka sana IEBC iwe constituted because kuna by elections nyingi sana. Kuna ingine kama hii ya Opiyo Wandayi ambaye amekuwa waziri saa hii. Hizo zote mpaka hizi hawa nominated 5 tulete nominated wengine. Kwa ile list tunaomba strictly wale 5 wawe replaced na voters wa Kwale. Bado hawa nominated MCAs wanaendelea kusafu na wanakula mshahara na wanafanya mandate ya oversight na kazi zao illegally. Sasa sisi tunaomba Speaker of the County Assembly ya Kwale hatoe hao ma MCA na ule mshahara wamekula karibu miezi miwili, sasa unaenda mwezi wa 3, warudishe, kwa sababu court order zilisema hivyo.
Jodak malaini saba kar chung'o bura ma Kibra no bedo gi midhiero mar mach manowang'o ute kendo ketho mwandu manengone pod ok oyangi bang' mach muocho tieno ma pino ruodo kawuono. Jodak ywak ni masiche mag mach medo ketho mwandugi ka koro gibiwo seyo modhuro ne gavana ma Nairobi kuom koso keto okenge makare mar rito ngimagi kod mwandugi e kinde ma masira mar mach omonjogi. Jafwambo marwa Cynthia Onyango miyowa ler.
Idiero tieno ka jajuok, matoka mag simo macho makong'we iri titi e apaya ka ging'ur malit mondo wenegi apaya gikal. Geno en mar chopo kama masich macho nenoe mondo gikony e simo mach ma omonjo jodak ma Kibra. Wan bende wakaso bangi. Kuom hawi marach, matokni gi ochopo Kibra to modeko kendo maonge kod pi moromo manyalo konyo e simo majno chuth. Gino mawang'o i jopiny.
Moto ilianza 5, si ni kweli? Zimamoto zimekaa gari mbili, si ni kweli? Tunaambiwa kuna kazi ya zimamoto na zina maji. Yaani kazi ya zimamoto ni gani?
Sakaje must go, sakaje ashuke. Huku na ban, ala kula nini zina maji.
Giwacho ni maji no mapoko ng'e gima ne okelo omiyo gilal maduong'.
Kama sasa hivi nimechomekewa. Sina kazi, sina mali ndani ya kulala. Naenda wapi?
Giduol achiel, jodago medo biwo seyo ne gavana ma Nairobi kendo kwayo piny owacho mondo ketnegi kar simo mach machiegni kodgi kaka achiel kuom yudo kony mapiyo e kinde ma masira oneno.
Ofisi ya gavana, ofisi ya president, wakae chini watusetie fire station zetu hapa line 7 kwa kila ward. Vijana ndio wafanye kazi kwa fire station. Atutrainiwe kazi.
Masira ni biro ndalo machuo kende bang' chiro matoi mach wang'o. Masira manoweyo ji 4 ka owito ngimagi kendo mwandu manengo ne poko yangi kethore. Cynthia Onyango, Ramogi TV.
Jorem boda ya apaya manyien madongo kundu koro idwani mondo luw chike duto mag apaya to chutho rwako gudu kod lewni mowinjore mag gayo masiche mag apaya makidek timore. Jakom tend wath ma Mombasa Benjamin Tayari mane obago romo gi jorem boda ne okoni thothgi osebedo ka ok luw chike mowinjore, omiyo ne ojiwogi mondo girwak reflector jackets ka achiel kod ogudu mane opogo gi nono maonge chudo. E romono ma bende noyuorie kod obila mag traffic, joriembogo no bende okwayo mondo mi ojiwre gin giwegi kendo gipar ne jowetegi marocho chike mag apaya.
Wakiwa wako hapa, wao wako na helmet kwa sababu ndio tunatafuta pesa, lakini maisha pia ni muhimu. Hatutaki kupoteza vijana wetu wakiwa wadogo. Tunataka pia nyinyi mkuje mkue, muache familia na muweze kuchunga hii jamii yetu ya Kinango na Kwale kwa jumla.
Tunaamini kazi yetu ya bodaboda hapa Tsunza, Lutsangani, Gandini tutaifanya vizuri bila kusumbuliwa na matrafiki kama zamani. Ulikuwa tukipeleka pikipiki hatuna hizi vitu, tunasumbuka sana. Lakini sasa tunawashukuru hao waheshimiwa kutuletea hizi vitu. Pia tunawaomba waheshimiwa, sisi vijana wenu wengi hatuna driving license. Kama kutapatikana nafasi nyingine basi tufanyie mafunzo, hata kama kutuletea mashule huku mashinani tusome tupate license.
Sheria inasema ukiwa unaendesha pikipiki ufae helmet. Helmet umeletewa. Utakuta mtu tu hataki kufaa helmet, amechukua ameweka kwa nyumba. Amechukua amehangi tu kwa pikipiki na anaenda. Hii helmet inakusaidia sana. Kwa bahati mbaya ama nzuri uweze kuanguka, hii kichwa yako itaumia ukiwa umefaa hii. So wakati tunaendesha pikipiki tukue waangalifu. Sheria inasema ukuwe na license ambayo ni valid na imepigwa klasi ya pikipiki. Sio tunaendesha pikipiki na uko na license ya gari, imewekwa klasi ya gari na unasema niko na license.
Kaka yorno mar kedo kod midhiero kod masiche matimore dho wedhe e kaunti ma Kilifi kokalo kuom migawo ma masiche mopore oyango yiedhi makonyo reso ji e nam. Maeri en yorno maduoko chien thoe matimore nam Ataro ka bende apisa malo 200 ndiki mar konyo reso ji e namno. Masiche mag nam osekelo thoe modhuro koting'o jogo matemo kawo ngimagi giwegi ka gilutore e pi. Jolupo ma bende yudo masira kendo nimo e nam bende oyangi ni medo kwan mar thoe mag Namataro ka koro chenro ni ing'iyo godo mar chwalo kony mapiyo ne jopiny.
Alikuwa ameingia ndani, imeshafanyika na anaenda kwa uangalizi zaidi.
Kwa miaka mingi kitengo chetu cha usalama fukweni kimekabiliwa na changamoto nyingi katika kukabiliana na dharura kwa sababu ya uhaba wa vifaa na rasilimali. Hata hivyo, katika mwaka wa kifedha wa 2023-24 tulichukua hatua madhubuti ya kukabiliana na changamoto hizi,
ambalo liko limelala. Sasa tuna boti 2, tutajivunia tutapewa mengine 2, na hiyo moja ambayo tutaripea kwa hii financial year tutakuwa na boti 5. Hiyo itatusaidia ili wakati unapatikana katika hali ya dharura uweze kufikika kwa haraka.
Mimi kama department niliweza kutafuta watu wao wanafanya surveillance pale kwenye bridge. Na visa hivi vya watu wa kujitoa mhai vinafanyika miezi 2 tu kwa mwaka. Sijui kwa nini science inasema hivyo. Mwezi wa 9 na wa 10. Hapo ndio tuna record high levels of suicide. Kwa mstaki gavana, ningependa tutafute mbinu nyingine kupitia hawa na jamii na wakamati na wanashikadau, jinsi tunaweza kupunguza visa vya kujitoa uhai ama dying by suicide.
Nataka kutoa nasaha kwa ndugu zetu ambao mmepata ajira. Kuna vijana wingi sana wangependa pia wao kupata hii ajira ya beach safety. Tafadhalini, hii kazi muipende.
Midhiero makosa rita kwe makare oweyo ka jodak mawuok nyandwat mar Hoho mar Okak ni kod luoro mathoth achiedh nade mag dar kod chuny madagni kaluwore kod pek magi kale. Ka giloso e kinde bilo wach mane okelo kanyakla jogweng', jotend dinde, jofwambo e kind mamoko, apisa malweny Gladys Mong'are osiro dwaro mar chiwo hocho makende ne familia man kod dang'ni mar paro kod midhiero mamoko kaka yor chango kendo wuok e paro mag monj mosebedo Baringo kod Marsabit. Jennifer Koimur mawuok Yatia e kaunti ma Baringo bade manyandwat wacho ni nyaka ne roke marunge kendo sande kod familia mare e kinde monyno ngimane pok oduogo kare.
Hatuna amani, kila wakati tunasumbuliwa, tunahama, hatujui penye tunaishi, tunaenda na watoto wanateseka. Hata sisi wa mama kama sisi tumeteseka, hatutaki sasa watoto wetu wakuje waendelee kuteseka tena. Ili tupate tumaini nyingine, ile watoto watakuja siku nyingine, siku sijazo watoto wetu watakuja kutusaidia.
They are carrying with them a lot of trauma and very painful moments and experiences, and it's something that is also contributing to the cyclic violent situations that you experience in these areas. So as an organization and also the Anglican Church of Kenya, we felt that we need to do an intervention in the area of trauma and psychosocial support. And that is why we have selected a few faith leaders incorporating both the Muslim and the Christians, community members, and also teachers, because one of the areas that, or rather one of the sectors that is highly affected by the conflict is the education sector.
Doho mamalo ogolo chik makumo obila geng'o wegegi ni kik negi e kinde mag rakruoge jong'anyo. Doho mamalo wacho ni en ataro mar chik mondo mi obila orwak lewni ma umo wang'gi kata mask e kinde ma girakore gi jong'anyo e pachoka. E bura manochwal gi riwruok mar okinde pachoka Law Society of Kenya, jang'ad buche mag doho mamalo Bahati Mwamuye bende nogolo chik no obila nyaka nyeny nyingegi kata nembni magi mag tich e lewni magi e kinde ng'anyo. Chris Owino nigi ler mathoth.
Riwruok mar okinde pachoka LSK kod riwruoge makedo ne ratich oganda oyudo loch maduong' bang' doho mamalo kumo obila kuom rwako abuog rombe maumo wengegi kaachiel kod lewni maumo wiyegi e kinde ng'anyo. E ng'eto mar bura mane ochwal kod Dudley Ochiel, Mark Chirchir kaachiel kod Ahmed Sigat e lo LSK, jang'ad buche mar doho mamalo Bahati Mwamuye ogolo chik ne ogai mar obila mondo nene obila ma ok orwako lepgi mag tich ok opando kata umo suchgi e kinde ng'anyo. Tend obila ne oyudore e tago maliet kaluwore kod apisas mag obila mane oumo suchgi e kinde ng'anyo mag Gen Z, obila mawachore ne otiyo kod teko mathoth kaka chielo jong'anyo kod magina. Kweth mag obila ma kamago ne one mokwongo e kinde mane rowere mag Gen Z omonjo od bura mamalo mar kwedo chik mar omenda. Doho bende ogolo chik ni obila makedo kod jong'anyo nyaka baw nyingegi kata namba margi moyiedhi mag tich poni ok girwako lepgi mag tich e kinde ng'anyo. Ng'anyo mag rowere mag Gen Z bende ne oketo obila e nyong'ong kuom tiyo kod geche ma onge namba plate kaka yo mar umo ranyisi mar kawnegi okang'. Obila bende wachore ne osebedo katiyo kod geche makamago e ndhiyo rowere makwedo jatend piny William Ruto kaachiel kod hinyo jofwamb weche. E wi mano, doho mamalo ogolo chik ni geche obila duto e kinde ng'anyo nyaka bed kod namba plate kaka yo mar yangogi. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Doho mamalo ogolo chik atimo mos sigana no wasekalo ka wadhi e sigana machielo gi e thuolo nieri en ni duol mochung'ne ndiko jotich ogolo lipot mar nonro ma jotich e counties mamoko michich godo nokalo chike matayo orodha machulo jotije. Lipotno yango ni atamalo mathoth mag omenda gwenyore e chulo jotije e yo ma ok ler mosemiyo chenro mag dongruok okwamo. Koyudo lipodno, Gavana ma Nandi Stephen Sang osingo mar kawo okang' mowinjore kod chik mar dunyore kod mibadhi kendo keto mise motegno mar duoko lai makare migawo mar ndiko jotije e counties no kod chenro mag chudo. Sang owacho ni ten county no ma Nandi koro miyo mijing'o lipodno kendo rango matut fuok manyalo bedo mar neno ni dongruok ok ogwenyore.
These may be the issues that the county government need to consider implementing to address the identified human resource management gaps. The audit was in two parts: human resource processes and payroll management. Under the human resource processes, an audit of the county human resource process covered the following areas: functionality of the county public service board, lack of an authorized structure and staff establishment, poor record keeping, lack of structured communication between different departments and offices.
Nandi County is going to be a case study of how to deal with the human resource challenge in counties. We are committed. In the course of next week, early next week, we will have the county cabinet sitting down to consider and adopt the report. Within next week, we will also forward the same to the county assembly. And I have the commitment of the county assembly that within a week, they will be able to approve the document so that we start the implementation process.
Tuo mar guonyo mar guogi mong'ere kaka mpox koro yangi kaka midhiero manyaka kaw kod pek kendo rang malong'o kaluwore kod landruok mare masani medore mokalo e Afrika. Kaluwore kod lipot mar riwruok marango weche mag tuoche e Afrika kata Africa CDC, nyaka sani ji 4,000 oyudi kod tuono ka ji makwan gi romo 1,500 osewito ngimagi e pinje mag Afrika chakre 2022. Jafwambo marwa Simfros Okinda miyowa ler e wi wachni.
Tuo mar guonyo mong'ere kaka mpox koro yangi kaka midhiero mar tuo manyaka kaw gi pek kendo rang malong'o kaluwore kod landruok mare masani timore ng'wech e pinje mag Afrika. E lipot mare, riwruok mar pinje Afrika e weche mag thieth Africa CDC yango ni e Afrika ji 38,465 oseyudi kod mpox ka ji 1,456 osewito ngimagi ne tuoni chakre dwe mokwongo mar higa mar 2022. Kata obedo ni gie sani onge ng'ata ng'ata e pacho ka ma osechako yudi kod tuo mar mpox tok ng'at achiel mane oyudi kod tuono dwe mokalo chango, migawo mar thieth kata kamano yango ni nitiere jomoko 20 masani chich godo ni nyalo bedo kod tuoni kamoting'o ji 8 e kaunti ma Nakuru, ji 4 Nairobi, ji 4 e kaunti ma Kilifi, ji 2 Taita Taveta, kaunti ma Kajiado ng'at achiel, Kwale ng'at achiel, Nyeri kaachiel koda Murang'a bende ng'at achiel kaunti ka kaunti. E oboke ne ute fwambo, migawo mar thieth oyango ni nyaka sani Jowuoth mohewo 247 osepim ne tuoni. Ka chenro mar tiego oganda ewi tuoni dhi nyime e tong' mopogore ma pacho ka. Oganda koro ikwayo mondo obed akicha ne tuoni kendo go lipot ne ranyisi mag tuoni ne sirikal. Simfros Okinda, Ramogi TV.
Mana kamano wakao yueyo mar ariyo e chenro mar migago. Bang' kao yueyo wabro duogo gi mamoko.
I resigned from work about 2 years ago, so I'm running a shop, doing different items, the cereals. Once I deposit to my account, take 10% to Subukia Shrine. From there, now I'm going to boost my business. Possibly after 3-4 months, you come and visit me in Machakos, you'll see some difference.
Bonuses nazo ni no. Kwanzia 12, 13 and 14 correct predictions. Unacheza na 99 bob tu. Chukua simu yako, ingia www.shabiki.com. Fungua jackpots, click on super jackpots. Chambua game zako safi, review bit slip yako, ukiona iko sawa, place bet. Alafu sasa unategea games zichezwe. Shabiki super jackpot, ni time yako.
Mina dai wote twenda hivi to bet.
Not for persons under the age of 18. Shabiki.com is authorized and regulated by BCLB license number 587.
Migori County ne wasingo du kendo singo engowi.
Ani singo engowi
Wan kaka Ramogi FM wasebedo para manyime mar chiwo puonj mowinjore ne oganda wa gi dongruok kokalo e tija piko. Emomiyo tich abich tarik 16 dwe mar aboro higani endi, Ramogi FM kelo ni Apiko Summit 2024 temi chop chon e alap ma wendo Bus Park irom gi jolony koda kweth mabiro geri kami puonj ewi dongruok kokalo e tija piko. Jolendo mag Ramogi FM kaka Ruth Nyajimo kaka Sokuraf biro bedo kanyendo sama jangolo matuklo kod jarapogi duogo dala ka kelo mor e Apiko Summit a Wendo Town. Chakore sa 3 mar okinyi nyaka midhiambo. Onere.
Imagine usikwe na stress. Kama ijafanyika sahi, kesho itafanyika. Na kesho isipofanyika, mambo itakuwa tu sawa. Jipe motisha. Utamua life ni ma ups and downs. Ndio maana tuna exist.
Kupata itakuwa sawa kama sikiza tune yako, bonyeza *811 *273#.
Wakelo ni chenro mar ohala kod lony gi dongruok mopogore opogore.
Wand kinyosi nigi pesa kitimo gima dwarore.
Weche makende moa kuom jogo makelo lokruok e ngima dhano.
Ohala ber nikech ohala puonji managerial skills. Lek ma in go iriembe mineni gigo chopo.
Chakre gi jogo mane ochako ohala manyien.
Kalure gi kaka nachako gi kuma achope, ohala ni en ohala maber.
Nyaka jotelo molony e timo ohala.
Akwanyo jodala wate odogi ohala.
Ne pek mane gikalie.
Pod waonge uhuru mar ohala.
Loch mane giyudo kod kinda mane gitimo e manyo gik mabeyo beyo.
Ka jaohala ok nyal chako project ka ionge gi market.
Tudri gi Cleophas Oluoch e ohala gi mwandu. Tich ang'wen ka tich ang'wen chakre saa 1:45 otieno.
Makelo dongruok mopogore opogore. Don't speak on our issues as women. Let us be the one to speak. Kaka gikete ratil, familia kod tijegi. Magitimo gisiso kod lony. As the woman representative of Homa Bay County, this nation is hungry and there is no question about it. Minegi ni etelo. Gijiwo kendo gikelo lony mopogore opogore.
Mentorship en gimoro ma important kabisa. Mano konyo ji kendo miyo ji bet gi positive attitude.
Gimiyo lony margi kanyakla kod yudo duoko ne chandruoge duto magikale. We want leaders to be fair to the nation. To emine wacho sigand miyo kamiyo ogen.
Mine wacho ngeso ka ngeso kod jailieta.
Jipange na View sasa imerudi kwa mbwembwe na vishindo. Jipange leo kwa nafasi ya kujishindia mamilioni ya pesa.
Jipange ushinde na View sasa.
Bonyeza
Bonga star 487 star 3 hash. Weka 50 bob tu upate content na pointi 50 za kuingia kwenye draw ya 50,000 kila siku, milioni 1 kila wiki na grand prize ya milioni 3. Jibambe na content nyingi zaidi uongeze chances zako za kushinda. Jipange na View sasa. Weka 50 bob tu na huenda ukajishindia 50,000 kila siku, milioni 1 kila wiki na grand prize ya milioni 3. Sheria na masharti kutumika. Imeidhinishwa na BCLB namba 0000130.
Eweche mag tuke ni jotugo ang'wen mar raga mag golf ochopo nus final mar NCBA Junior Golf Championship. Bianca Ngeshu biro rado gi Chris Beju e nus final mokwongo, eka Junaid Manji dhi gocho gi Sevi Soni e nus final mar ariyo. Bianca Ngeshu nochako maber e tugono bang' loyo Adan Mereli 5-4 moyudo thuolo mar donjo e round mar timbe 16. Bianca nochako loyo Hazel Kuria 7-5 e robo final, duoko makoro chwale nyaka e nus final. Chris Beju bende noloyo Kimani Gesheru 3-2 modonjo e rang'iny mar nus final.
Round today was really good. I just missed a few putts that I could have made, but I tried my best today.
I wasn't thinking about the lead or anything. It didn't really matter because, I mean, no matter who wins or who's leading, you have to beat everyone on the course.
Odwa mar kawo weche manyien odich mokalo, wafwambo ni mamoko mabro kelo ni koromo saa 10 weche manyien maka gi kacha. Gi thuolo ni atieko mana gi kanyo. Oriti masani, nyinga Milton Ochieng' Awuor.
Jipange na View sasa imerudi kwa mbwembwe na vishindo. Jipange leo kwa nafasi ya kujishindia mamilioni ya pesa.